Okay, so I have just an Arduino Pro Mini here, and I have it hooked up with this little Arduino joystick off of eBay. The Arduino joystick has voltage, X, Y, which are the joystick, 2-axis joystick, K, which is the push button, and ground. The VCC and ground are connected to ground and VCC of the Arduino Pro. The X and Y are going into analog 0 A0 and analog 1 A1. I just have analog 2 A2 pin jumped into ground because I have this sketch for X, Y, and Z, but there's no Z on this joystick. So I've just grounded A2 for now. The K button wire is going into digital pin 12. And on pin 9, I have the PPM output of the sketch going into the top of the radio, DSC port with a single headphone jack, monophone jack. It's just being powered by the USB from a FTDI cable. On the radio, I'll go to the airplane icon, which is the model setup. Go over to the trainer icon. I have it set as master mode with the trainer cable. And as I move the joystick, you can see that the inputs are being recognized by the radio, as well as when I click on the joystick, that channel is also being recognized. So you can pretty much hook up any potentiometers, standard potentiometers, or push buttons onto the digital pins, and the PPM output will support up to 8 channels feeding into the radio system. So you can build a lot of custom solutions with just an Arduino and some potentiometers and some regular standard push buttons, and have those feed in to replace whichever channels you want them to replace. So for example, by default, it will just replace the first 3 channels or 4 channels here, but you can tell it to replace any channel or any analog input